Let's talk about extended warranties. If I'm buying a used car, does it make sense for me to purchase an extended warranty for that car?
Oh, absolutely, yes. Definitely. You want that peace of mind, the coverage. I mean, fixing the vehicle, um, it costs everything's going to cost you a lot of money. Transmission, water pump, radiator, anything under the hood is going to cost you a lot of money. So you want to make sure that's covered. Parts and labor. There's different types of warranties you can buy that are offered, and depending on how often you're on the road with the vehicle, if you use it for work, if you take it on family vacations and stuff, you want to make sure that you have that peace of mind, that coverage, because it will cost you a lot of money.
Right. Now, you mentioned there's a lot of different kinds of extended warranties that you can purchase.
Right.
What are some things that I should make sure my extended warranty package covers?
Well, there's time and mileage too. Like depending on the vehicle, the year, and how many miles are on the vehicle, you want to make sure that you have as close to a factory bumper-to-bumper warranty that you can get. So the dealership or wherever you're buying the vehicle from, whatever platform it is, they'll lay out terms of how long, longevity, 336, 224, or 5 unlimited. They range in prices also. As far as time goes, they also cost different. They're different prices. So you want to make sure that some of them include general labor, general maintenance. I'm sorry, they include that. Some of them, in my experience, that's I don't know if they do that anymore. They sell warranties that would include like an oil change or maintenance, stuff like that, just to entice you to buy the best warranty that they offer.
What would you consider a decent price for an extended warranty package on a used car?
On a used car, now that's a tough question. Depends on the car. Again, there's warranties that are exempt on a lot of vehicles. They won't even offer to cover certain vehicles because of the time and the money that it costs to repair them, and they're always in the shop. There's certain vehicles that are always in the shop for certain issues, and a lot of warranty companies, they fall into this category where they will not even offer a warranty on it. So it depends on the vehicle, but something decent that's going to cover your transmission, your drive axle, probably $2,000 to $3,000 in that range, maybe $2,500 extra, after the sale of the vehicle.
Right, and is that sum paid up front, or is that broken down into monthly payments? How does that work?
That usually is rolled all into the selling price of the vehicle. After you agree on your selling price, then that's added on, and it'll be included in your monthly payment.
Gotcha. Okay, so that helps ease the cost.
Right. Yeah, you don't have to pay for it up front. Some guys will even tell you to think about it. Let me know, and come back in a week or so, and we'll put the warranty on for you. If you don't want to finance it, you wanted to pay separately, you can also do that.
Right. Okay. So overall, yes.
Yes.
Get an extended warranty.
Absolutely. Get a warranty. Yes.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Sure.